Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. It is day 6 in Bohol Island. Right now, 10 a.m. in the morning. Today, I already explored Kamuga waterfalls, which you seeing right now. It is a beautiful waterfalls. I highly recommend for everyone visiting the Bohol. Don't miss this place. If you want to know more detail, please check out the previous video in my channel. After this, I go back to Lake Garden Hostel. It took me 1 hour bike ride to return to the hostel. After that, I check out from there. This is the total expense for 5 days, 6080 pesos. Please pause the video for more details. This is Jane from Lake Garden Hostel. She gave me a lift to Batuan bus terminal. Both of the owner from the Lake Garden Hostel very kind. At this point, I was very hungry because I didn't have a breakfast. Chicken curry, vegetables, your pork, spring roll, rice, and oil. The food was excellent. After that, I start my travel to Panglao Island. I took a bus from Batuan town to Tacloban city. It was 1.5 hour journey, 120 pesos ticket. In Tacloban city, I reached Dawong bus terminal. From here, I have to take another bus to Panglao Island. It cost me 50 pesos. The ride time was 30 minutes. I get down at Alona Beach Road in Panglao Island, nearby the McDonald's. This is one of the famous place for nightlife. In this place, you have a lot of restaurant, bar and hotels available. This is the pickup point and meeting place for the island hopping and other attraction in the Panglao Island. Here you can see local vendors selling their island hopping other attraction to the tourists. From here to my accommodation, 5 km distance, approximately 8 minutes bike ride. I pay the bike rider 100 pesos. The Panglao Chocolate Hill Hostel Resort, very far away from the main area. It was very quiet and beautiful. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. It has a very huge parking area. In this resort, restaurant and the bar located side by side. You can order your food and drinks over here. The cottage inspired by Chocolate Hills and it have a fantastic interior cave design, looks so beautiful. It cost you 1500 pesos per day. In this restaurant, they serve vegan food. You have a kids pool separately available. At the same time, in this resort, they teach you yoga and diving lessons. You can see the board for the more details. Side by, you can see the reception area. The staffs are very friendly and happy people. This is the dormitory sharing room. I was stayed in the second floor in the end of the building. I paid only 300 pesos per day. There's a big bed. Currently, I'm the only person in this room. This is my bed for 3 days. You have a nice mirror, beautiful mirror. Sitting area, no air condition, just only the table fan. Apart from this, toilet. It's a very nice one here. See, very clean. We have a shower, but there is no hot water. Fantastic toilet. We have a balcony. Next 3 days, I'm going to stay in this hostel and explore the Panglao Island. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.